Getting rid of cockroaches requires a combination of cleanliness, prevention, and targeted treatments. So here's a step-by-step guide. Number 1, keep your home clean. I had to start with that. Regularly clean your kitchen and your dining areas. Wipe down counters. Sweep the floors. Avoid leaving food out, okay? Because you should store food in airtight containers anyway. Number 2, eliminate water sources. So basically, cockroaches, they need water to survive. So fix leaky faucets and don't leave standing water in sinks or pet bowls overnight. Seal entry points. So basically inspect your home for cracks and gaps. Seal any openings around the doors, windows, and pipes to prevent cockroaches from entering. Very important. Number 4, use baits and traps. Okay, so place cockroach baits and traps in areas where you've seen them. These products contain poison that cockroaches take back to their nests. Okay, so basically number 5 is to apply insecticide. If there is an infestation and if it's severe, consider using commercial insecticides designed for cockroaches. Follow the instructions carefully for safety. And number 6, we got natural remedies. Some people use diatomicus earth. I'll put it in the description. Can't say it. A natural powder that can kill cockroaches by drying them out. Sprinkle it in areas where you suspect they hide. Number 7, call a professional. If the problem persists, it might be a good time to call pest control. And, they're going to help with more extensive treatments. Now, by following these steps, you can effectively reduce elimination of cockroaches from your home.